These days, you just don't understand how easy it is to make money with the power of AI and social media. Literally, there are people easily making $10,000 plus each month with these simple short-form videos. While time was passing by, these short-form videos got so much saturated that it made me think that it's impossible to make money with them, until I came up with a fantastic idea. Everyone is posting 2 to 5 videos per day that take a lot of time to create. But what if you could create 500 videos in just under 10 minutes? Now the tables will turn. If you can't compete with the quality, you can for sure come on top with the quantity. Now before I show you the secret method, I wanted to let you know that I will be releasing a secret course that will unleash all of the methods that will help you make money online like you never seen before. The first 50 people that comment "free secret sauce" will get free access to the course. Just make sure to subscribe and like the video. Now let's get into the important part. What you're going to do is open ChatGPT, which is for free. We will use ChatGPT to create a script for our videos, so you can just enter the same prompt that I'm using and click generate. As you can see, the script is fact-based, such as psychology facts, relationship facts, deep facts, and others. The prompt that I'm using will give you pretty accurate results, but if you want, you can change it up and test different styles. Once you have generated the script, you can do the same to create another one. In order to do this, just make sure to enter the prompt. Create 50 more in the same style without repeating the previous ones. With this, you will make sure that you don't get the script duplicated. Once our script is ready, we need to open Canva. Now I will tell you a trick that will help you do everything for free. Canva has a pro free trial that lasts 30 days. Just get the free trial, and once you do that, make sure to cancel the billing plan. This way you can use Canva Pro for free so your videos look more professional. Once you have opened Canva, search for YouTube Shorts and click on it. And click Create a Blank. Now you need to open videos and search for a topic. I prefer to use nature and galaxy themes. Just search for the topic and a broad range of videos will appear. As you can see, you will have many options to choose from. Find a vertical video that you like and open it. For example, I will use this one. Now, as you can see, the video is not fitted correctly. To adjust it, just drag the video to the corners and fill out the page. Now let's make the video shorter. I prefer to make 5 to 6 second videos because they work the best in the short form engagement. If the video has an audio, just click on the page and adjust the volume to 0 using the volume button. Now we need to add the text. To do that, just find the text section, click on heading, and the text will be automatically placed into your video. Let's name this one as Topic. Now to make it look better, go to the effects and add a background. If it's not automatically set to black, you can set it in the color picker. Let's drag the topic to the top and make it a bit smaller. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners. See? Now we need to copy the script that we have created earlier. Make sure to copy it from the topic part to the end. Go back into Canva and click Enter Data manually. Now click on the Name section and just paste the script that you have copied. And as easy as that, we have imported the script. Just click Done and we can continue. Now we need to connect the script. To do that, right-click on the topic part and click Connect Data. Select Topic and now it's connected. Now do the same for the two parts. Just make sure that they are correctly connected. Part 1 connects with the first part of the script, and Part 2 connects with the second part of the script. As easy as that, everything is connected now. Now click Continue and check if everything is selected. If everything is okay, you can click on Generate Designs and now Canva will automatically create the videos for you with your own script. This is how it will look like. We have created 50 videos in only few minutes. It's crazy, isn't it? Now, we need to export the videos. Go to Share, click Download, and make sure that you select Download Pages as separate files. Once you are done, click Download, and you are done. That's how easy it is to create the videos. But now I will give you a bonus tip on how to make them look better and monetize them. Bleak guessing.
How can I make money from the videos that I have just created?
Well, let me explain. You can monetize the videos on these 3 platforms: YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. On YouTube, you can earn money with ad monetization. In order to get monetized, you will need to get 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views. With YouTube Shorts, you can earn from $0.01 to $0.06 per 1,000 views. With Instagram, once you get good engagement, you can make money from account reselling and selling shoutouts. Typically, you can earn from $50 to $500 from shoutouts. And with TikTok, you can make money with the Creativity Program Beta and account reselling. In order to make money with the Creativity Program, you will need to create 1-minute-long videos, which will make you up to $1 per 1,000 views. This is very easy because you can create 1-minute-long videos just by stacking up the videos that you have created using Canva and make a short compilation. Let me give you a bonus tip. You can monetize the videos on all of the platforms without having any followers with the power of affiliate sales. If you want to learn how to make money with affiliate sales, I have created a video that will explain everything you need in order to start. I hope you have learned something new today. Go watch the affiliate video and see you in the next one.